Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your license, signing out of your Microsoft account, and backing up any documents. Once done, close every Office app and stop background processes via Task Manager to avoid file locks. Now go to Settings, choose Apps, then Apps and Features, locate Microsoft Office, and click Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts, make sure to accept permissions, and allow the uninstaller to remove core files, so the process can continue without interruption. If the normal uninstall stalls or Office isn't listed, switch to Control Panel Programs and Features and attempt Remove there. Once that fails or reports errors, download and run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the official Office Uninstall Support tool. They handle stubborn components and services. After the tool finishes, manually check and delete leftover folders in Program Files, x86, and %appdata, to clear profiles and caches. Finish by restarting your computer to allow Windows to remove locked files and unregister Office services. Once restarted, confirm Office is absent in Settings apps or proceed with a fresh installation if needed. If reinstalling, sign in with your Microsoft account and verify activation. Troubleshooting tip: if the uninstall or repair fails, reboot into safe mode, run the Microsoft Uninstall tool as an administrator, and then remove lingering registry keys and folders. This targeted approach usually resolves permission or service lock issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.